Good morning, students. Today we are going to explain the topic is highest common factor. This is the book of class 6. You can see the page number 63 of NCERT book. This is chapter 3, playing with number, exercise 3.6. Before doing the exercise 3.6, I gave you some hints for this exercise. The topic is highest common factor. In short form, we say HCF. What is HCF? Highest common factor. You see, the highest common factor of two or more given numbers is the highest or greatest of their common factors. It is also known as greatest common divisor. It has two names. We can say HCF or GCD, greatest common divisor. First we find the factors of given numbers and we pick out the highest common factor. That is the HCF or GCD, greatest common factor. So it is clear. Now we discuss about the method. In class 6 in your book only one method is given, but I explain here three types of method. You see here I explain there are three types of method. First, prime factorization method. How we find the HCF with the help of prime factorization method. Question is, find the HCF of 20, 28 and 36. First you write the prime factors of 20. In this method you will find 2 10 ja, 2 5 ja, 2 into 2 into 5. Similarly 28 you will write 2 into 2 into 7. Similarly 36 you write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So I write here factors of 20 are 2 into 2 into 5. Factors of 28 are 2 into 2 into 7. Factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. You see all the numbers 2, 2, 5, 2, 2, 7, 2, 2, 3, 3 are prime. So its name is prime factorization method. All the digits are prime, all the numbers are prime. Now you see what are the common factor. You compare in three numbers. First 2 is common and another 2 is common. So there is pair of 2 is common. Now you multiply it. 2 into 2, that is 4. So HCF is 4. This is the method, first prime factorization method. Now we discuss the second method. The second method is division method. You also learn this method. Suppose our number is 20, 28 and 36. You take any two numbers and divide and find the HCF. And the HCF, when you find, you divide the rest number, that number will also divisible. So HCF will be clear. You see, we take two numbers 20 and 36. 20 and 36, you divide 36 by 20 because we divide the greatest number with the smallest number. 21 is 20, remainder is 16. Again you write in this form. Now 16 is divisor and 20 is dividend. Again you divide. 16 1 is 16, remainder is 4. Now 4 is divisor and 16 becomes dividend. Again you divide. 4 4 is 16, the remainder is 0. When remainder will be 0, then our HCF will be completed. So HCF will be 4. So it is clear. Now the rest number is 28. Again you check. Now you divide 28 with the HCF of 20 and 36, that is 4. 4 7 are 28. So 28 is also divisible by the HCF of 20 and 36. So the HCF of 20, 28 and 36 are or is 4. Our HCF is 4. So it is clear. Now you see the third method, that is factorization method. Only you carefully see the name. What is the name? Factorization method. Question are same, 20, 28 and 36. First you find all factors of 20, 28 and 36. Factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. Factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. It is clear. You see how we find the factors of 20. 1 into 20, 2 into 10, 4 into 5. Similarly, they are inverse. So you will write 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20 are the factors of 20. Similarly, 1 into 28, 2 into 14, 4 into 7. 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28 are the factors of 28. Next, the number is 36. 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9, 6 into 6. So the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Now we find the common factors of these numbers 20, 28 and 36. You round the common number, common digit. 1 is common, 2 is common and 4 is common. Only 3 numbers are common, 1, 2 and 4. You can see here. I round the numbers. Now you note down here. Common factors are 1, 2 and 4. Now you see in these 3 numbers which is the greatest number. You will find that 4 is the greatest number. So highest common factor is 4. I think this method is also clear. This is the third method. So I explain about 3 methods how you find the HCF. Next you come on the exercise. Now you see the exercise 3.6, page number 63. It is clear. All questions are given. 1 A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. How many questions you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 questions are given. You will find the HCF by any methods because method is not given in these questions. So you try to find the HCF by any methods. I explained 3 methods. So you will do. Next you see question 2. What is the HCF of two consecutive numbers, even numbers and odd number? Two consecutive numbers means any 2 numbers. Suppose you see here 1 and 2 are 2 consecutive numbers. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. Any 2 numbers are consecutive numbers. When we count 1, 2, 3, 4, take out any 2 numbers that are consecutive numbers. Now you find their HCF by any methods. You will find their HCF will be 1. Number 2, any 2 consecutive even numbers. You know that even numbers is divisible by 2. So you take 2, 4. Again you can take next number will be what? 4, 6, 6, 8. And you find the HCF. You will find that their HCF will be 2. So it is clear. Next, consecutive odd numbers. 2 consecutive odd numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Any 2 consecutive numbers will be, suppose 1, 3 we take and find HCF. You will find that their HCF will be 1. So I think all questions are clear. Now you see the last question. HCF of two prime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization method. By which method? This method is said to be prime factorization method. The factor of 4, the prime factor of 4 is 2 into 2 and 15 is 3 into 5. Now you find the common factor. You find that there is no common factor. Then what will be their HCF if there is no common factor? Is their HCF is 0 or any other number? You explain about this. If not 0, then what will be the correct HCF? You see this question. Question number 3. HCF of 4 and 15 by prime factorization method. When we find the prime factor of 4, they are 2 into 2. Prime factors of 15 are 3 into 5. But you see, there is no common number. There is no common factor between these given factors. So what we write? The HCF will be 0 or 1. The HCF will be 1. Because we know that factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. You know. And the factors of 15 are 1, 3 and 5. So the common factor is 1. We know that 1 is neither prime number nor composite number, but 1 is a factor. So HCF will be 1, not 0. So you never write, if there is no common between two numbers, there is no common factors between two numbers, then you never can write their HCF will be 0. So their HCF will be 1. So it is clear. Thank you for this class, and you will do all questions in your copy and send the answer in my WhatsApp. Thank you.